Hello everybody, it's me again, Tarsher. Welcome back to our channel. So today we're making a lechon kawali. This is hubby's favorite. Kaya ito ganyan ang itsura niya kasi in-oven ang process nito ay matagal. So nilagay ko siya sa oven ng 30 minutes. Binoiled ko muna siya and then nilagay ko sa oven. So mamaya ipiprito na natin siya. We just fry this later. Pork belly. Okay, so ayan. Luto na siya. Tingnan mo. Di ba ang crispy niya, guys? Lagay lang natin dyan. Ayan. Can see it? Super crispy. And the lechon kawali, guys. Look. Oh, so yummy. So, we just cut this. Yeah, look at that. How juicy is that? See? That's so juicy. Mm. Mainit. So, I need to use these things. Malambot siya masyado, guys, dahil nga pinakuluan ko siya ng 1 oras. Sa lambot niya, humihiwalay na yung skin. Yan. And my lechon kawali is done, guys. Oh, it's so yummy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye for now.